How should Minneapolis homeowners prepare their roofs for the winter? My name is Ted. I'm with Sellers Roofing Company. I wanted to do a quick video on how should Minneapolis homeowners prepare their roofs for the winter. So a couple different things you can do to get your home prepped or get your roof prepped for the winter. One of the biggest things that I notice is gutters. Just making sure that your gutters are properly cleaned out. Going up into your attic, checking your attic to see if there's any sort of water damage and getting that taken care of right away. Removing any debris on your roof, leaves, anything like that, maybe that potentially could be stuck on your roof. I'd remove those. And then the biggest thing too is if you have tree branches near your roof, please trim them or remove them. Critical, critical, critical. Just simply because if you get wind or any sort of wind where those branches are hanging over your roof, it's obviously going to damage your shingles. And then just make sure that you get your roof inspected. I highly recommend getting your roof inspected every year in the spring. That's going to do a couple different things for you. It's going to keep your warranty valid. It's also going to prevent any sort of future issues that you may not know of, because most people don't get on their roof. So if you are in the Minneapolis, Minnesota area, and you want to get a free roof inspection, give us a call, 651-703-2336, and we'll get you on the schedule. All inspections are free, so give us a call when you get a chance. Thanks.